Here are some of the most frequently asked questions about HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and their answers. 1. How much does it cost to repair or replace my HVAC system? The cost of repairing or replacing your HVAC system will depend on the type of system you have, the severity of the problem, and the labor costs in your area. A typical repair can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s, while a replacement system can cost several $1,000s or more. 2. How often should I have my HVAC system serviced? A professional HVAC service should be performed annually to ensure that your system is running efficiently and safely. This service will typically include cleaning and inspecting the air filter, blower motor, coils, and refrigerant levels. 3. What are the signs that my HVAC system needs to be repaired or replaced? Some common signs that your HVAC system needs attention include excessively noisy operation, low airflow or reduced cooling or heating performance, strange smells or drafts coming from the vents, frequent repairs or breakdowns. 4. How can I save money on my HVAC bills? There are a number of things you can do to save money on your HVAC bills, including regularly changing your air filter, installing a programmable thermostat, insulating your home properly, sealing any air leaks, using ceiling fans, opening windows on mild days. 5. What is the difference between central air conditioning and a heat pump? A central air conditioning system is specifically designed for cooling, while a heat pump can both cool and heat your home. Heat pumps are more efficient than air conditioners, but they can be more expensive to purchase and install. 6. What is a refrigerant? Refrigerant is a substance that absorbs heat and transfers it to another location. It is used in HVAC systems to cool air. The most common refrigerants used in HVAC systems are R22 and R410A. 7. What is a BTU? BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. It is a unit of energy used to measure the heating or cooling capacity of an HVAC system. The higher the BTU rating, the more heat or cooling the system can provide. 8. What is a CFM? CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. It is a unit of airflow used to measure the amount of air that an HVAC system can move. The higher the CFM rating, the more air the system can circulate. 9. What is a ductless system? A ductless system is an HVAC system that does not require ductwork. It consists of a single indoor unit and an outdoor unit that are connected by refrigerant lines. Ductless systems are often used in smaller homes or apartments. 10. What is a variable speed system? A variable speed system is an HVAC system that can adjust its fan speed to match the cooling or heating load. This can make the system more energy efficient and comfortable.